Hi guys, good afternoon.
You should have brought that stupid cell phone holder and you could have just put it right there.
Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Are they your honey?
You said say hi, honey, so I said hi, honey.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone.
Oh my god.
Hon, you told me say hi, honey. That's what I said.
It's just like crazy husband. What are you doing? Yeah, we're here right now, and it's freaking late. And thank goodness I got this. I bring this for snacks because I know I'm gonna be hungry because I don't have like lunch. It's lunchtime. It's the 12:42 already, guys.
To the cafeteria?
No, I don't want. That's why I bring this thing, because I wanna go home and eat my rice and eat my adobo. My adobo is good. Do you like? My husband love my adobo, guys. The pork. Do you love the pork, honey?
Yeah. Oh, that reminds me. Do we have carrots?
Yes, we have.
For the roast?
Yeah.
Baby carrots?
We have baby and we have big one.
Let's cut that off.
We have 2 bags of baby.
I don't have to cut them. That's better.
Baby carrots. Anyway guys, yeah, my husband love it. I don't understand why, you know, how my husband's nephew too love that thing. The adobo, guys. I don't know. It's, you just love it, and I love it too.
You gotta remind me, I gotta dig up all the equipment today.
Equipment for what?
For the shows, the things.
Oh, okay. It start next week, right?
Week after.
Okay.
My God. It's all stuffed together.
Hi guys, it's amazing. I just wanna go home and eat my adobo. I just wanna go home and eat my adobo. 2.5 hours. We're still here. And tired, hungry, no lunch.
Well, as we said, they later got him. Police say 2 Swedish tourists woke up to find the man rifling through their safe inside a 10th floor room.
So let's say maybe we're gonna be here like till 4 o'clock. Like in it. We just get home, guys. No one can talk to me if I'm hungry. I will be really pissed and irritated so fucking fast. So we're home.
That's true.
Yeah. Because, you know, I'm hungry. It's already 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. No lunch. And my husband's eating bad sandwich because I don't cook nothing for him.
I told you we could have got your lunch at the cafeteria. You said no. You want to go home and have rice.
Yeah. So I'm sorry guys if the vlog is not that long. I don't even edit the yesterday's vlog yet. So I'll see you later, guys. I'm still gonna watch some vlogs from other people. Okay. Oh, see,
You finished all that? You ready for more?
hold on. Yeah, honey, you can't keep giving.
He's like a little soldier. He finishes and he just sits there.
Hold on. Hi to Jezebel Ortiz. Hi, Isabel. Thank you for all your comments. You're very nice. Thanks. And thank you for subscribing and watching and commenting and spend time, you know, we're watching my video. Thank you. I'm sorry I don't have enough strength today. I just eat. And I still don't have strength. This is my husband's cooking. That's the juice of it. So much. What is that? Looks like. Look, guys, it's not cooked.
I give you the well done pieces. Knock it off. Look. These are the ends are well done.
What is that? Why is it so much juice?
It's gravy, hon.
Okay, guys, that's his cooking, which is mine is better.
Taste it and find out.
I'm just kidding, guys.
Real possible.
I'm just kidding. I learned to cook Italian because of him. Anyway, guys, I'm not done editing it. It's just my stomach bothers me. I think I have to go upstairs and pee. We're gonna have dinner soon. My husband is in charge. I mean, I keep saying my husband. I keep saying my husband. What I'm trying to say is Tommy is in charge, Tommy is my husband, and he is in charge for cooking. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm getting ready to go to bed, so I bring my toothbrush and I bring my wipes. It's my makeup remover because I need to remove my makeup. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. Good morning guys. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I just get down here to make my husband's tuna salad to bring to work. So I'm gonna go back upstairs, go back to sleep, and I'll see you later again guys. Thank you. Good morning again. Hi guys, it's the one that I showed you before. The thing is still here guys. Look. Good morning. Good morning people. Yeah, just get home. And first thing to do, clean. Oh, what the frick. Anyway guys, I'm going to vacuum, clean the floor. I'm finally done. I changed the tablecloth because the other one is so dirty. So I changed this one, which is the one that we don't like. I just use that, there's no occasion, so what's the point of using the one for having occasion? So I'm going upstairs. There's a lot of things that I have to do today. Take care of the bill, like that kind of stuff. It's boring guys when you're alone in the house. I love when my husband's home, from work, or he's in his day off, because he's the only one that I can talk. I mean, I can talk to everyone, but I love talking to my husband. He's fun to talk to. And yeah, I have to kill the light here. Kitchen. I love him so much, and I want him to be around me all the time. But well, we have to deal with it because job is job, and need to earn money for, like, this bill. If there's no job, we can't pay our bills. That's the truth, and that's the reality. Okay guys, I'll see you later. I'm just gonna finish this, that tomorrow my husband can, send this. And what else? My cats. Hi cats! What are the two of you doing right there? Are you two fighting again? Oh my god. Hi guys, my husband just called me. He just wants to tell me that he's happy that I made him this morning tuna salad. I'm glad that he's happy. I'm glad that he's enjoying it and he loves it. And to be honest with you guys, he loved tuna salad. And I just put carrots. I put carrots, celery, red onion, a lot of powdered garlic powder, and mayonnaise, and you mix it. That's it guys. I just updated you guys that my husband called me, and it makes me happy that he loved it. It's just nice. Let me check my kids because I don't check them for a while already. Hello Dimple. Oh my god, you sleepy? Are you sleepy too? This is so sweet. Hi, Dimples. Hello. Hi. Joshua. Hi, how? Are you guys hungry? You won't be that hungry, right? Mommy can't feed you all the time. Daddy doesn't like it. Because daddy doesn't want you to get fat. I love you. I love you. I love you. Hello. Hello. Who is that? Did you see your face? Who is that in the other one? You see somebody else? Huh? Are you staring at her? That's you, baby. That's you. Oh, look at that little guy too over here. Look at this little guy too. No, mama love him. Ouch! Look, look. It smells like Hubs. You smell it? It smells like Hubs, right? It smells like your brother. Hi. Hi, brother. Give mama a kiss, babe. Give mama a kiss. I love you. I love you. I love you. Give mama. Yeah, mama loves you too. Anyway, guys, so what time is it now? It's 12:51, almost 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna get ready. Eat this guy, this one, she doesn't eat, you know, quick. She have to keep staring to the little one down there, the other, because, you know, the little one, I don't know, she's a little afraid of the little one. She just like wait, like, you know, I have to cover between them that they won't see each other, because the little one will eat like a pig and then just run in here and eat. So, Dimples, hurry up. Hurry up. Eat it. Hurry up. Don't wait until the little one finishes his. Or else, you know. Eat it. Stop looking at him. You have to cover like this, you know. That he just keeps staring at him. Yeah. And the little one, look, he's finished. Are you done? No way. No way, you're staring at your sister right now. Are you trying to go and get whatever she have left? Look at it, he's staring at her. Hurry up, Dimples. Look at that tail. His tail is very long. It's just very cute. You're almost done, baby. Oh, it's just, I love you so much, baby. What? No. She's done. There's no more left for you. I see you, bat. I see your butt. I see your butt. Hubs. Hubs. I love you. I love you, little boy. I love you, little boy. Little boy. I love you, little boy. Little boy. I just... Now you're so freaking cute. Shower time. Oh my god. Sounds like I've never been showered for a year. Shower time. Like, so excited. Shower time, guys. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. I'm done showering. My husband just called. Every time I took shower and when I get out from the shower, he's calling me. It's always a good timing. I'm watching this magazine right now. And I'll show you the magazine. It's called First Finds Catalog. And that's... yeah, they're having a lot of things. This is nice. This is the same of what we have, the same color. This is nice. If you carry your pets, you know, the dog, it won't go in the front seat. So, And this one too, look. This is nice. I just finished making some orzo soup, and now I'm making garlic bread with that because that's really good. I think that's what I'm gonna have for dinner, and I think that's what she can have for dinner too. Who knows? There's leftover if she don't like it. So yeah, I get my package today. Yeah, I get my package for my green screen light. I ordered some bulb, so I ordered 4. I have one upstairs already because when I ordered it, there's like the other one is broken, so I have one left. Anyway guys, see you later. My husband's home, guys, and he doesn't have any like real dinner. He just have with the soup that I made. How do you like it?
That's dinner. That's good.
You like it?
Yeah, chicken was very tender, like.
Because it's the chicken that I used.
That's a chicken from the fresh cooker.
Yeah. When I called you, what people has to say? Who? It seems like how many people you have in the car?
I was only Daryl. I already dropped Harlan off.
Okay.
Speakerphone, you're in the car, just in case. Because I called Jimmy. I didn't want to call Jimmy until after I dropped him.
Who's Jimmy?
Off.
Oh, the one that
For
you
the
said.
Greek Film Festival. I didn't want to call him until after I dropped off Daryl because I have my business in the street. I figured when I drop him off, I'm going to call you. So let me just call Jimmy while I got Daryl in the car. This way I can be done with him before I drop Daryl off, and I can call you after I drop him off. This way I always do.
Okay.
But then you called in, and it was like, so I figured, let me call you back. Fuck it. A lot of traffic.
Is it crazy traffic? What time you get out from work?
5:30.
5:30. Time check, guys. It's 7:45 already, and you get out 5:30. Holy cow! The traffic, honey, that's bad.
5:30, 5:45, something like that. But either way, so roughly 5:30. Even if it's 5:45, it's still. Yeah, man, it's rush hour.
New York, guys, it sucks when it comes to travel. It's crazy.
Really not horrible. It's still 2 hours, which is not bad for rush hour. But could have been better.
I'm going to put this vlog, guys, together from yesterday's vlog because I vlogged yesterday. It's very short, so I'm gonna put it together. Oh, thank you for subscribing. Hold on, guys. XX Macal's XX. Thank you for subscribing. I don't even understand that. XX Macal's XX. I'm sorry, guys. I'm very blah today. I'm very blah. Good night, guys. And it's already, yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock now. So I'll see you tomorrow, and thank you for watching. Adios. Ciao. Bye. Good night.